Welcome to Learn Law with Saiful. Today we'll learn about the final two stages of a civil case. Final argument and judgment, where the trial ends and justice is delivered. Stage 1, Final Argument. After evidence is recorded, the case moves to final arguments under Order XVIII Rule 2 CPC. Each party presents their case summary before the judge. Lawyers explain how evidence supports their claims. They refer to documents, witness depositions, and legal precedents. Focus is on convincing the court to decide in their favor. The plaintiff argues first, followed by the defendant. The plaintiff may reply if allowed. Stage 2, Judgment. After hearing arguments, the judge takes time to evaluate facts, evidence, applicable laws, legal reasoning. Judgment must be in writing, stating reasons clearly, as per Order 20 CPC. It may include decree, costs, and execution rights. Time limit, ideally within 30 days from conclusion of arguments, Order 20 Rule 1. Key terms. Judgment equals judge's decision and reasoning. Decree equals formal expression of judgment, enforceable. Order equals direction on procedural points or specific reliefs. What happens after judgment? The successful party can apply for execution of decree. The losing party may file an appeal if grounds exist, within limitation period. The final argument is your last chance to defend your case. The judgment is where your months or years of effort are decided. Thanks for watching Learn Law with Saiful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.